something that your government announced with great fanfare was the implementation of the Air Passenger Bill of Rights. Many were very hopeful about this. The reality is that Canadian consumers are being taken advantage of day in and day out by airlines in this country. But as we've seen over the last number of months, there are some egregious loopholes that have emerged. This has led to honeymoons being ruined, families not being able to be reunited for important events, one member of the couple being treated differently than the other, even though they were on the same flight. Truly some bizarre but very problematic scenarios that shouldn't be happening with an Air Passenger Bill of Rights. This stands in stark contrast with Europe, where its Passenger Bill of Rights allows for advocates, allows for rewards in cases of delays due to weather and maintenance, and is far stronger when it comes to accountability. I'm wondering, do you feel that the Air Passenger Bill of Rights goes far enough, or does your government need to move forward in response to these gaps that these emerge and the loopholes that the airlines are finding?
I'm very happy that we came forward because people have been asking for 10 years, as long as I've been a politician, for us to have passenger protection. There's a period when people begin to say, well, look, I wasn't treated properly. According to my interpretation of the rules, I should have been compensated. And the airlines say, no, that's not what we think. And in that case, and as you know, many are going to the CTA, the Canadian Transportation Agency, which will arbitrate. I would call this the kind of shakedown that needs to happen when the airlines and the passengers have different interpretation. I think we're going to come out of this with a much clearer understanding, and there will be a lot less of these situations that you've described.